It's like you can have empathy without sympathy, and you can't have sympathy and be effective when you are trying to advocate and perform, because you have to sort out the problem immediately, and you have to sort it out technically and logically and logistically, and you have to be able to do that. So I know when I first started working with people who were involved with child protective services, I was extremely passionate and sympathetic to what had gone on, and it was so emotionally exhausting. I just could not do it. And I went to a counselor and I talked to him, and the counselor said, you know, it's empathy fatigue. You're going to have to decide how you're going to handle it, because if you're going to be in this business and you're going to be working with people going through these traumatic events, you're going to have to know how to do it, right? And so it was like labeling it and dealing with it was one of the most important things I needed. And so after that, that's the hat I put on. And for those who want to advocate, those are and be in advocacy, which is a very, very, very important role at this point in our country, whether it's ADA advocacy, whether it is educational advocacy, whether it's medical advocacy. People who you can reach out to lean on, who understand the system perhaps better than you, so you don't have to trust so many people. I mean, I have seen people with myself as well as people who've reached out to me over and over and over. They put this blind trust in their lawyers, and then they just think their lawyers are going to fix all their problems, and it's just not going to happen. It is not going to happen. The most successful cases that I had, even as a lawyer, I had proactive clients. I had clients who were willing to sit down and look up experts on the internet and go through the medical records themselves once I told them what to look for. So being proactive in dealing, whether you're dealing with the family court system or the CPS court system or juvenile court system, you cannot trust an attorney to be able to cover everything that needs to happen.